Hey guys, if your FPS is dropping while gaming and you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix NVIDIA FPS drops and performance issues. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable shader cache in NVIDIA control panel. First, go to your desktop. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. Click Show More Options. Select NVIDIA Control Panel. You can also open the Start menu and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Once inside, click Manage 3D Settings on the left. Select Global Settings. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down menu and set it to Disabled. Click Apply at the bottom. Now restart your computer. Step 2. After restarting, open the Start menu. Search for NVIDIA app and open it. Click Drivers on the left. From the drop-down menu, choose Game Ready Driver if you mainly use your PC for gaming. Choose Studio Driver if you use it for editing or professional work. Click Download, then install the driver once it finishes downloading. Step 3. Clear DirectX Shader Cache. Next, open the Start menu. Search for Disk Cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup tool. Click Clean Up System Files. Scroll down and check DirectX Shader Cache. Click OK, then delete files. Step 4. Re-enable Shader Cache. Now go back to NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Select Global Settings. Find Shader Cache Size again. Set it to Driver Default. Click Apply. Restart your computer one more time. After your PC restarts, your FPS drops and performance issues should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.